Years ago, I was involved in a legal case in which a man was suing multiple parties, several doctors, a hospital, and others, claiming medical malpractice. The man had been involved in an auto accident and sustained a serious injury. He was rushed to the closest hospital. It was a leg injury, but he was at risk of exsanguination, so his parents were appointed to make the decisions for him. The injury required a complex surgery, and the only qualified surgeon available was a woman. The patient refused, citing his strong religious beliefs, which dictated that men could only be physically touched by their wives or close relatives, such as their mother. The medical team assumed he was delirious from the trauma and asked the parents to weigh in. The parents said they wouldn't violate their religion and insisted that a male surgeon should be brought in. The hospital explained that there were only 2 surgeons on staff with the necessary training, and both were women. The parents requested that he be transferred to another hospital, but he was not stable enough for that. The hospital warned them that if they waited much longer, they would lose any opportunity to restore full function to the affected limb. They even brought in an imam from the hospital chaplaincy to reason with the family, explaining that it was permitted to set aside this religious law in instances of emergency or necessity. The parents and son still refused. It took time to locate a male doctor trained to do the particular surgery, get him temporary privileges at that hospital, and arrange everything. By the time the surgery was cleared to happen, the patient's leg had to be amputated. The patient then sued everyone involved, claiming they should have saved his leg. I was not directly involved in that aspect of the case, thankfully. I only became aware of it because the patient was also using the amputation as a defense against paying child support, and I was representing the mother. I don't know how his malpractice suit worked out, but we won in family court.